Inspect Element is a handy developer tool that comes out of the box with popular web browsers. So in this video, we will show you what you need to know how to deploy the tool in a few clicks while browsing websites. Now if you're in a Google Chrome Inspect tool, right-click anywhere in the website, select Inspect from the context menu, and you will be able to view the HTML and CSS codes on the right side panel. Alternatively, you'd also use the hotkeys of Ctrl, Shift, and the letter C altogether, or you can also use the function key F12 to inspect a page. But if you're using a Mozilla Firefox web browser, right-click again on any part of the website, click Inspect, and the inspector window will show up at the bottom of the browser. But if your browser is Microsoft Edge, do the same thing by right-clicking on the website, click Inspect, and the HTML and CSS codes will show up on the right side. And those are the possible ways to inspect Element tool for temporary web page editing. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.